So I lost it. I don't have much time. I gotta speak quickly.
This message will get cut. I'm a renegade. I'm a truth seeker. They told me I would never make it, and I did. They told me I wasn't strong enough, yet I am mighty. The element of freedom is tattooed on my heart. The manifesto reads, hope is real. Love is unconditional. Passion and purpose is your design. My name is ALicia Keys, and I am the element of freedom.